Hi everyone, good morning to iCandy and her random adventure. But today there is no random adventure because everyone has to stay home. So this is me doing my first day work from home. So I want to show you and share to you how to do it. Of course, I just woke up and the first thing you need to do is to fix your bed. So I already fixed my bed, and after that, I also did my morning prayer. I also had my morning routine. So later I'm going to show you what do you need to do before you start your day at work from home. So this is my room. I just want to show you this is my room, and this will be my workstation for the whole week that I'm staying here and working from home. So this will be my office. I already set up my table and a chair so I can be ready and have some classes with my students and also have some meetings. Later, I have a meeting in Bangkok via Skype with Mr. Somchai. See you later, Mr. Somchai, and I will be ready using my outfit for working from home. So this is me, iCandy. Please stay tuned to all the different activities that you need to do at home while doing your WFH. So this term now is very famous because everyone is really asked to stay at home. We do that because we need to mitigate the spread of coronavirus, and we need to be like really careful so we cannot affect our family, because we love our family, we love everyone around us, so we should not be pasaway. So in the Philippines, they said there's so many pasaway. Pasaway are bundles, are the one naughty, like trying to obstruct the rules and not following by staying at home. So this is really good for us. Please let us help mitigate the spread of coronavirus by really staying at home. So follow me today with our daily activities for my day 1 WFH, only here at iCandy and her random adventure. Ta! Hi, good morning everyone. So this is step 2 for my work from home, but of course before you going to go to work, you just woke up, you fix your bed, you had your morning prayer, you had your coffee, you need to do this very important thing. Nowadays, it's really important to boost our immune system. So it's really right to eat the right food. And of course, it's not only about eating and eating, because now people are staying at home, they just keep on cooking, they just keep on eating, but I don't think it's going to be healthy. So it's really important to really be healthy to fight the coronavirus. So today, for the step 2, working from home, I'm going to show you some tips on how to do some basic exercise. So exercise is very important. It's one way to really boost our immune system. So I'm very fortunate. I'm here at the living room. We have some equipment to do some exercise. This is the stationary bike of Daniel, which he used when he really tried to diet and really lose weight from 115 kilogram, and now he's 86. So it's really cool to at least have them. You don't need to go out, you don't need to go to the gym. Just do it here in your own home, in your own house, or any space will be very nice. It's you don't need a bigger space, you just need some equipment. But if you don't have also some equipment like this, there's so many things that you could do, like planking and also running, stationary jogging. You could also do that at home. So for the first exercise that I'm going to do my favorite. This is the stepper. I love doing stepper. So you don't need to like really dress up and really be on your gym outfit. So that is me doing the stepper. You just need to do it 45 minutes with your rubber shoes or with your slippers. Just feel comfortable. You don't need to like be really on gear. So now I'm just wearing my shorts and my jersey. So just do this for 45 minutes, and maybe later I'm going to have the stationary bike. I can also do that for another 45 minutes. So this is our home, this is our living room. Actually, my son Dwayne is also doing some work from home last Monday, and he has brought some equipment here so he could do his post-production and editing. So this is us trying to survive and trying to like really help out and mitigate the spread of coronavirus. So let's do our best to stay home and protect our loved ones. So this is me, iCandy, work from home, day 1, and some activities. Later, I'm going to show you how to boost your immune system in this time of age. I have few tips later. I'm going to show it all to you. So first, finish the 45 minutes stepper. It's not easy, guys. Talking while doing the exercise, it's not easy. I'm grasping for breath, but let's do this morning exercise with iCandy from WFH. Guys, so after finishing the 45-minute stepper, you have to do this. Just try out if you have a stationary bike. Just do another 45 minutes just to really sweat out and just really fight and really increase the immune system. So this is really good. Stationary bike at home if you have this, or if you don't have them, you can do stationary jogging as well. So this is me, iCandy, doing step 2 for our WFH, only here at iCandy and her random adventure. Guys, after biking, after stepper, you can also do this planking. You are going to be really good if you could stay for 3 minutes, but I doubt. I can only stay for 1 minute and I die. Hi guys, so I'm back. So after doing that strenuous exercise, stationary bike, biking, and also stepper, and also that very hard planking, I really enjoyed it. I really sweat a lot. So I already took a shower and I really feel fresh. I already dry my hair with my hair dryer and I just need to iron them. So doing the work from home, you have to look professional. At least put some powder or lipstick. So because you're facing them, like me, I'm going to have a Skype meeting in a while. 15 minutes, I'm going to have a Skype meeting with Mr. Somchai from Bangkok. So I need to prepare. At least I will look professional. And since today is LSPR Day, Thursday, so I'm wearing our LSPR attributes. So I'm wearing LSPR lecturer t-shirt. And you don't need to worry about what you're gonna need to wear down there. So it's okay to wear shorts because you're just gonna face them half body from headroom up to the chest. So you don't need to zoom out. So it's perfect. Just wear and be professional looking when you have your work from home. So this is me, iCandy, going to have my first Skype meeting on my first day of work from home here at iCandy's crib. Hi guys, so I'm ready for my Skype meeting. It's already 11 a.m. here in Indonesia, Jakarta. So I'm waiting for the call of Mr. Somchai from APCD Bangkok. So it's been set. He has this agenda and we're going to talk about the ASEAN Autism Network. So this is me, iCandy, all geared up. I'm wearing, since today is LSPR Day, I'm wearing our LSPR t-shirt, LSPR lecturer, a proud LSPR lecturer. So as I told you, having a work from home, you have to look professional. So you at least fix your hair, showered up, and put some makeup. I just put some powder and lipstick. So I'm ready to meet them on Skype. So this is my workstation. I already prepared my notebook, my pen, and I also have my laptop ready for my Skype meeting with APCD. As I told you, working from home, you don't really need to really dress up. Only the top. You have to be professional looking at the top. So usually when you see some memes like on Facebook, you will see moms or dads working from home. They're wearing suit, but their bottom is just like I'm wearing shorts. So it's so cool to wear shorts while you're working. It's very comfortable. Like us, we love wearing shorts here at home. So this is me, iCandy, ready for my Skype meeting. Hi guys, so I just finished my first Skype meeting for my work from home day 1. So I just finished the meeting. I'm sorry, it's all confidential, so I won't be able to broadcast the meeting, but we did the meeting over Skype. So it was really clear, everything went smoothly. So I met someone like Mr. Somchai from APCD in Bangkok together with Miss Siriporn, and also I had a meeting with Dr. Adriana from Yayasan Indonesia, Autism Indonesia, and Pak Karna. So the meeting really went well. So I just finished the meeting, and that concludes my first Skype meeting for my work from home here at iCandy's crib. It's really cool. It's really great to be working online, working from home, making sure that we mitigate the spread of coronavirus. I really hope that everyone who are asked to work from home, you are really at home, or else you depict the purpose of staying at home or doing the work from home. If you feel like you're just free and you could go to the mall, no, please, please, this is really a call for everyone. Let us all help each other to really stop the spread of this virus. This is really worsening, like this is really going bad, and I do hope like other countries are coping, and I do hope that we as a human being or as a citizen let's oblige, let's try to like really stay at home and protect our loved ones, protect the people around us, and most of all to stop the spread of the coronavirus. They always say, let's flatten the curve. Let's try to stop and mitigate the spread of coronavirus. Hi guys, so I just want to show you how to access Google Classroom. So it's very easy. So all lecturers have to prepare their own Google Classroom. So here I have my Communication Art Showcase MC21 Acceleration class. So I already created this since last week, and most of the students, so I'll show you. So these are all the students who signed up and listed at my Google Classroom. So what I did is just like I just shared to them the class code. This is the class code. You can see that's the class code, and I shared it to the group. So I contacted the president, and then they all access our Google Classroom. So this is how it goes. I have a classwork. I asked them to answer this 9-dot puzzle. So everyone submitted, and I already graded. So in this case, I only have 2 students who missed the submission, so I don't know why they haven't submitted yet, but I already have grades to all of the students. So I also tried to email them to our academics. So this is one class that I've finished, and then there's this other class that I have, MC Mass Communication 21 2B. So I have them all. So there's another tip that I want to share to you. They said our immune system has to increase. We have to boost our immune system. But do you know which gland that can like really boost our immune system, that makes our antibodies like really tough and really working hard? There is this one gland that I discovered. Actually, I didn't discover it, but I just learned today that this one tiny gland that is located in our chest helps to boost our immune system. So what do you call that gland? It's called thymus gland. It's not thanos gland, but it's a thymus gland. It's a very small gland located in the middle of our chest. So it's just like the size of a liver of a heart of a chicken. That small gland can really help increase and boost our immune system. Very simple. We just need our hands. We have 2 hands. You can wiggle it like this. Wiggle. So with these 2 hands, you need them. So for 15 minutes, try to locate first our thymus gland. Thymus gland is located here in our chest. Maybe below my first necklace, you will see that is the thymus gland. You just need to wiggle. So for 15 minutes, do this. This is an exercise that can really help boost our immune system. 15 minutes is all it takes for you to boost your immune system. Actually, it's more better than drinking those vitamin C, but of course we need the vitamin C. So try to boost them. If you feel that you are coughing, it means that it's working. Let it be. Do not be alarmed. If you're coughing, just try to continue the tapping of your thymus glands. It's just stimulating it. It's just like tickling it. So for a baby, like if you have a baby, just tickle them in the chest, tickle them in the breast area here and this side. So just pump it, stimulate it for 15 minutes every day. If I were you, I'm going to do it every morning and every evening. So with that, our immune system will really be activated and will really boost our immune system. So that is my tip for today. Working from home is not going to be boring. Working from home, there's so many things you can do. You can be productive. You can be with your family, and of course, we don't have choice. We have to stay at home. So again, this is me, iCandy, and her random adventure, my day 1 working from home video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you again for the next episode, iCandy working from home. Bye! So this is my workstation here at iCandy's crib. So this is me. iCandy, nananaba na po ako. Tingnan niyo po yung pisngi ko. Ang taba-taba ko na. Hopefully, I will not really gain that much weight because of this work from home. I miss walking, so I need to do more on the stepper.